Now it's been a couple of months since we last saw the ASUS Zenfone 5Z at the Mobile World Congress. The phone doesn't just pack the internals of a flagship, it sure looks and feels like one too. We finally had a chance to spend a bit of time with the phone. Hang tight as we run you through our unboxing and first impressions of the ASUS Zenfone 5Z. Now the box is an elegant affair with a dark blue and gold finish. Up front is the logo, while on the side you'll spot text saying "I love photo," which is interesting considering ASUS isn't particularly hyping this up as a camera focused device. The rear has the usual IMEI information and basic specifications. Alright then, let's pop open the lid. Inside you'll find the standard documentation including warranty papers, a basic transparent silicone case to get you started, a SIM ejector tool, a pair of headphones, a fast wall charger and a USB Type-C cable. Onto the phone itself. Let's address the elephant in the room first. Is the Zenfone 5Z a riff on the iPhone X and the new trend of notch-driven smartphones? Sure, but damn, has ASUS done a good job. The 6.2-inch 19:9 display on the front of the device is a sight to be seen. The screen is tack sharp with excellent viewing angles. The Zenfone 5Z has a notch, and it even has a chin. Now starting off with the notch, ASUS claims that this is amongst the smallest ones in the business. There's also a notification light tucked away in there. We really like what ASUS has done with the design. The screen is encased within an aluminium frame with chamfered edges. The body of the phone feels very premium, and the chamfered edges go a long way in ensuring a good grip. Meanwhile, on the right hand side, you'll find both the power and the volume buttons. The buttons have excellent give and the response is great. Along the bottom edge is a USB Type-C port and a headphone jack alongside a bottom firing speaker. The earphone at the top acts like a secondary speaker. ASUS has added in an NXP amp and we can confirm that the speakers are loud and clear, and there's even a bit of bass. The left side has a combination dual SIM or a single SIM plus micro SD card slot. The back of the Zenfone 5Z is also made of glass, but it has a spun metal style design under it. The design is a continuation of what we've seen on several ASUS products. The metal underneath has a sheen to it that shifts as you move the phone around. It really does look quite nice. Towards the top left is a dual camera module which sports a 120-degree wide-angle lens. The primary camera is 12 megapixels and sports an f1.8 lens, while the secondary wide-angle camera has a 2.0 lens. We'll have an in-depth report on the camera in our review, but for now all we're going to say is that the phone absolutely manages to take quality shots. There's even a pro mode that is very functional and helps you tweak your shots just that much more. The Zenfone 5Z runs a Snapdragon 845 chip with up to 8 GB of RAM. Our unit has 6 GB of RAM with 64 GB of storage. Now while we'll wait for the full review to pass a verdict, we must congratulate ASUS on how they've come with reducing bloat. With a much more limited set of pre-installed apps, there is a visible difference in performance and the interface looks good. It also has quite a few interesting additions. Performance in our early testing has been very promising with no slowdowns of any sort. We'll also talk in depth about the AI features that ASUS has been touting in a full review. Suffice it to say that there is some interesting stuff in there, especially on the charging front. So that was a quick unboxing and our first impressions of the ASUS Zenfone 5Z. We'll have a full review out very soon. We'll have that and the text up on FoneArena.com. Thanks for watching.